In this video, Play Math with Digit Grid, the second video, we will learn about a game called Make the Largest Number. The skill set required to do this is usually asked at many examinations and is also helpful in developing basic mathematical skill and understanding. So let us begin to understand how that game can be played. Let us begin with some general features of the game. So we have a number grid, a digit grid, where you will have digits from 0 to 9. And from some distance, one tosses a few tokens that land on the digits in the grid, selecting those digits for us. Then it involves arranging the digits in descending order or ascending order, depending on the game we are playing. Then reading the obtained number correctly. When we arrange the digits, we get a number, and the child should be able to read the number correctly. Players take turns, and there can be allocation of points. It is optional. Points allocation is optional. This is the general form of the digit grid, and there are some modifications that we do. For example, if a token lands outside the grid, you have 0 there. So the player stands at some distance, and there is a line which when you toss the tokens, your hand is not supposed to cross. So it involves a physical skill also of throwing things accurately enough so that they land at proper places. The game can be played as individual game or team games. 4 to 5 individual players should be there in an individual event, individual gameplay, and 2 or more teams comprising 3 to players each can be there for the usual play, team plays. 4 to 5 individuals is not a very necessary and compulsive thing. When you have children around, that can be done. When you are playing with your own child, or playing within the family where you have 2 children, etc., it's possible that 2 players play, one throwing in and taking turns. So here is an example of a term being taken with 4 tokens in play. So the 4 tokens have been thrown one after the other, and the tokens have landed at 6, 8. A token is largely in 3, and one token is outside the grid, largely outside the grid after 9. So instead of the 4 digits that were supposed to be obtained by the child, the child is able to obtain only 3 digits because one token has landed outside. Now the digits have to be arranged in ascending order. So the correct order would be 8, 6, and 3, and the number to be read is 800, 6 tens and 3, 863. So that is how the game is played. If the fourth token would also have landed inside, the child would have received a set of 4 digits from which a 4-digit number could have been made. Let us look at what are the gains for the child or for the parent. This is equivalent to solving a set of 10 to 15 questions for arranging digits in ascending and descending order, and reading 10 to 15 numbers correctly from arranged digits when we actual play. Then there is comparison of numbers, because who has got the larger number in pairs. If the teams are playing, every one player from each team throws the tokens with different colors, and they form the number using the tokens, the digits that they have obtained by landing their tokens on the digit grid and forming the larger number. Now they have to compare the numbers there, that whose number has been larger, and suitable points, or the child wins who has landed that token. It's like making a goal. So flexibility to go from 2-digit numbers to even 15-digit numbers is there in the game. You can use that. And just like we have said that we had the example of the largest number, you can make the smallest number that you have obtained. So that's how you can play the game. But the condition has to be improved when you are making the smallest number is if a token lands outside the grid, uh, you obtain the number 0. And one or two of the tokens must land in the grid, inside the grid. That type of conditions we have to impose for playing make the smallest number type of a game. Stay tuned, stay subscribed. There are many more games to come. Thank you for watching.